So yesterday, Lori called me pretty. Well, actually, the full statement was, "You're pretty annoying, but I'm trying to focus on the positive in the new year."
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Cheers.
Good
Love
morning,
you.
Love you. Good morning, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Saturday.
Nice hot coffee. Notice we're all bundled up this morning. Well, half of us are.
Yeah, I'm actually a little too warm.
There it is.
Oh, happy anniversary,
Oh,
honey.
goodness sakes. Happy anniversary.
Cheers, I love you.
I love you. Forgot.
It's our anniversary. I don't know what she's doing in there.
Anniversary for what? What is that popping?
I don't know, but I gotta go check.
Let's just find out.
What are you doing?
Is it her?
Yeah, she's playing with the cord that's hanging down for the fryer. It's banging up against the cabinet.
You know, when you live full-time in an RV, every little sound counts, and you've got to know what it is.
Yeah, it's like, okay, something's popping or clicking in there. It's like, what is that?
That's a new, different sound. What could it be?
I know, it's...
Golly.
Yeah, get a little concerned.
Oh, my
get a little
goodness.
concerned.
Well,
So, speaking of anniversaries,
yes.
on New Year's Day, Happy New Year's Day, everybody. A couple days ago, 4 days ago, 3 days ago. Becky and Myron's birthday.
Happy anniversary, guys,
The
eh?
birthday of their wedding. Oh my gosh, I need more coffee. Okay, it was happy anniversary to Becky and Myron on the 1st.
Yes.
Us today.
Yes.
Today is also our friend Brian Crane, the creator of the
Yes.
Pickles cartoon.
Yes.
Comic strip. It is his birthday today, too.
Happy birthday, Brian.
And then on the 2nd was our dear friend Don.
Cowboy Biker Adventures
It was
on
his
YouTube.
birthday, so happy birthday,
love you,
Don.
man.
We miss ya.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody, for being here today with us. We really do appreciate you. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified anytime that we put out a new video.
Which is
Please-
every Saturday and most Wednesdays.
Most Wednesdays. If we can come up with something to bore you with. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share us with all of your friends and family that you want to torment.
And you know what? The thumbs up really does help the channel. So just go, whether you like it or not, go hit the thumbs up.
I guess
Nope.
if you don't like it, you can hit the thumbs down, and that helps too.
Either one helps.
We want you to be honest, right? Okay. Last Saturday we chatted with you and you worked on video stuff, and I just kind of was piddling around the house, putting things back where they belonged after the holidays and the repair on the RV. And then we just kind of hung out with Becky and Myron because they were going to be leaving the next day.
Yep.
Leaving us.
But they're coming back.
They're coming back. Well, they said they were coming
They
back.
said they're
we'll
coming
see.
back.
I'll believe it when they pull in. Sunday I made some cards, and Myron and Becky left. You worked on some video stuff, and when I say he's working on video stuff, he enjoys it. It's not work.
Not work.
It's kind of his hobby, so he'll watch other videos, get ideas, listen to music for the channel, all that kind of stuff. So, and then we just kind of had a relaxing time.
Yeah.
And then the next day, we got to go do some fun stuff. We did some errands, fun, yeah.
Yeah.
But then we went over to Bob and Pearl's,
Yeah.
and we played Mexican Train, and we had tacos. She had like every possible thing you could want in your taco.
And Bob was ready to win Mexican Train.
He was. I kind of blew that for him because
Yeah.
I think he came in second. But we had fun. We always have fun. We love hanging out with them.
Yes, we do.
We love getting to see Tinker.
Yep.
So we get some doggy lovin's. Oh. Then on Tuesday was just kind of a lazy kind of day. It's 4 letters. It's even spelled out on the board.
Oh, lazy. I was like, okay, what are you trying to spell?
I'm not trying to. I did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have an exciting New Year's Eve around our home.
Yes.
We rung in the New Year with the East Coast, and then it was like, okay, good night, love you, Happy New Year.
It used to be when we were truly in Pacific time zone. 9 o'clock rolls around, 9:01, we're lights out.
Yep.
Because that's midnight East time. But here we had to stay up an extra hour. It was
know,
10:01
gosh.
before we got to turn the lights out.
And we're party animals. You bet. You bet. Wednesday morning, we kind of got up. We went for a walk around the area again. We just kind of like scoping it out, looking at different places that we might want to park and looking at different things that we find in the desert. It's always fun. Then we watched a movie that afternoon.
That was a pretty good movie.
Yeah.
I like that one. That was a good flick.
It was from, what did I say, 2000, I think, or 2022? Not 2000.
I thought you said
2020.
Okay.
It was from 2020.
right.
It's called Spencer Confidential, and it had Mark Wahlberg and Alan Arkin in it. It was good.
It was a really good flick.
And it ended with the idea that there might be more of them, but it's been a few years.
Yeah,
so.
almost
But
like
that
a-
was 2020, so
Yeah, it was
things
almost
kinda-
like a cliffhanger without being a cliffhanger. It had a good definitive ending to it,
Yep.
but yet it could continue.
Right. Yeah.
So I think they left the door open, but like you said, it's been 5 years now.
Yeah, I looked
So, I don't know.
it up, and it did say they were coming out with another one, but like I said, that was 2020 when it came out. So if they were going to make another one after that, you know, you had the whole stupid
Yeah.
2020,
Whatever.
21, 22 kind of years messing things up.
Yeah.
So who knows? And then for dinner, we had our traditional black-eyed peas.
Gotta have them. We had a double header of them this time.
A double header of them. You got them again last time.
Twice as much.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
need them.
We did. We did. We ate the whole can. There was just one little teeny tiny bit left that he had yesterday.
I know we've
So-
talked about it on other videos after the new year, but do you all do anything like that and hope that the new year is better?
We
and-
must not have eaten enough or
Yeah.
something last year.
If it doesn't work this year,
We're
we'll
going to try something else.
we're gonna have we'll just have asparagus.
Oh, man, really? No.
Okay, then we'll have clams on the half shell.
Oh, no. I like black-eyed peas. When Ashley was young, we used to make her at least have one.
She wouldn't eat those things, and I said, you got to have one.
You gotta have one. So she would choke one down. So just swallow it like a pill. That's how I used to eat my vegetables when I was a kid.
Oh,
Had to have
geez.
them.
Here we go. I'm surprised you can remember back that far.
I can.
Oh, it's me that can't.
There you go.
Dang.
On Thursday, we went to Wally's World. And I'm not talking about Walmart.
Nope.
Wally's World in Yuma.
Yeah.
The store with every little teeny tiny thing you can imagine. And we had bought some little washers you wanted for up on the roof.
Yeah, for tilting the panels and really locking the panels down, little star washers. So I got the wrong size.
And so we had to go back and exchange.
I tried to eyeball it.
He couldn't remember what the size was. And we had said, we need to bring one with us. We need to bring one with us. Did we? Nope. We
No.
guessed wrong. Okay. So we went and fixed that little issue.
Yes, we did.
And then we did go to
Yes,
Walmart
we did
after
go to
that.
Walmart. The Walmart.
The Walmart. I had to pick up some prescriptions, and I finally got my hair cut. Oh my gosh, it's been since August. So it was getting long.
I keep telling you, I can do it for you for half
half
price.
No,
What you
thank you.
get charged at a regular place.
Yeah, well, that's true too. But anyway, sometimes I just need to splurge. Then we came and sat outside for a while until the bugs started eating you alive.
Golly, and it's crazy. They're not flies, and they're little green bugs. I don't know
Just
what
these
they
little
are.
teeny tiny things, and it's like, how do you have a mouth big enough to eat? bite
God.
like that. I don't know, but we had to go inside. And then I don't know what we did. We probably watched something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can always
can't
find things
remember
to
back
do.
that far.
I can always find something to do.
That was Thursday. We can't remember back
I
that
know.
far.
That's why I write this down. We had some other thing we were going to do, you know, an opening bit. Pshoo!
Neither one of us can remember what we talked about.
Nope, I didn't write it down. So yesterday, now that I had a haircut, I finally got my hair colored. Got that taken care of.
Still the same color.
Yep, except for those roots.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, gray. No, thank you. I'm still
Gonna
not ready.
wash that gray right out of my hair.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, who remembers that?
That was a commercial, and the song originally, though, I think is from South Pacific. It's gonna wash that man right out of my hair. Anyway, let me know if I'm right or wrong about the song being in South Pacific.
Huh.
And then it was a commercial for a shampoo or a hair coloring. Anyhow, I got the cleaning bug yesterday.
Boy, I'll say.
So I cleaned out all underneath the kitchen sink, and I wanted to switch around our pots and pans, which are in a cabinet, up in the slide. We wanted to get a little bit of weight out of there if we could. So I kind of switched things around, threw away a big trash bag of old cleaning stuff that was like stuffed in the back of the cabinet, and I had saved some jars and cans and stuff to put grease in. I'll put it in, especially when we're boondocking. I like to pour that stuff into a can and throw it in the garbage. Pasta water, potato water, that kind of stuff. Sometimes I'll put it out on the plants, especially potato water. It's just vegetable. So anyway, I got that all cleaned out, switched around. Felt really good to do it. Labeled up some bins that I put in the upper cabinet, which are really light stuff. So,
And I kept trying to say, what can I do to help? What can I do to help? What would you like assistance with?
get out of my kitchen.
What do you want me to do now?
Get out of the way. Go sit in your chair.
It's like,
Hey, you've got your stuff to do out here, your little piddling stuff. I don't come bother you when you're doing your stuff.
it's never a bother when you come over to ask me what I'm doing or if you can help. Never ever is it a bother.
Yeah, okay. This coming year, 2025, is just going to be a reset year.
Totally.
We just need to reset from last year,
Yeah.
especially last summer. And we're not going to dwell on that. We've already gone over that enough.
Yeah.
But we're really looking forward to having a reset year.
Yep.
So,
Definitely.
yep.
No two ways about it.
When you put your flag up on your RV or at home, if you have a sticks and bricks house, and a president dies, do you fly your flag at half staff? So this is the first time that we've done it on our flagpole, because we have two sets of hooks, because we fly the American flag and then we fly our SIA flags.
Yeah.
We have basically what you would consider a half staff.
It comes down. And half staff doesn't mean halfway down. Did you know that? It doesn't mean that. It only means one flag length down when they say half staff.
Yep.
So this works out perfect for us because it's actually one down.
One flag level down. So we have ours flying that way.
Yeah.
In honor of President Carter that passed away. So anyhow, let us know if you do that at your home, if you're even able to. I know we used to have the one flagpole in the mount on the house, and so that wouldn't be possible there. But if you're able to, do you? Would you? Anyhow, that's kind of
That's it.
huh? Our big exciting week. Whoop.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Love
Happy
you.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.